Bonjour everyone. My name is Adam. I am 10 years old and I am from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. I love playing soccer and I've been playing since I was 4 years old. I train and practice with my teammates and coach at FC Northwest. Soccer is my passion and I am really looking forward to playing and hopefully representing Canada in the World Cup one day. My role model is Ronaldo because he is passionate about soccer, never gives up, and always trains hard with his team. I would love to volunteer in the upcoming World Cup as a ball carrier. Je suis bilingue et je parle en français. Je peux aider à traduire pour les joueurs, les bénévoles et les touristes francophones qui assisteront à la Coupe du Monde au Canada. Ce serait pour moi une excellente occasion d'aider tout en pratique mon français et de représenter le Canada à ma façon. I am really excited for this opportunity to make new friends and to represent Canada at the same time. Thank you for listening to my story.